This is the unboxing movie of new lens. I bought this lens, SAMYANG AF 24mm F2.8 FE. By this lens, it will be possible to take panoramic photos without any sense of hesitation because the body is very light. The weight is 93 grams only, while the usual wide-angle lenses are over 200 grams. In addition, the low price is reasonable, so it's suitable for mirrorless camera beginners like me. It's so slim. Such pocketable body makes user to bring it as not only main lens but also sub-lens. As for me, it will be sub-lens and I will bring longer focus one as main lens. The surface of the body doesn't look so cheap. Under the lens hood, characteristic orange ring is designed. It's suitable to the orange ring part of Alpha 7 III. At once, I'd like to attach it to Alpha 7 III, then go outside to take some photos. If I look closely, the colors of these rings are a little bit different. It can't be helped because the manufacturers are different. Anyway, I'm going out to try this lens. First one is cluster amaryllis, which were blooming in the neighborhood. Not only the background but also in front of lawns are blue beautifully. Next, these are olive trees at Hakone, which is a popular place for sightseeing among Japanese. The sunshine is depicted softly, and the trees look so lively. These are also beautiful flowers at Hakone, but I'm not sure the name. If you know the name, please tell me in the comments. The last one is a landscape of a temple. The red object is called Toribi, which is like a gate usually in front of traditional temples. The lens makes it possible to take wide-angle pictures like this. Apart from previous pictures, I took so many beautiful pictures by using SAMYANG AF 24mm F2.8 FE. From now on, I will use it for a long time. Please don't forget to like and share this video. You can also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Have a nice day.